today I'm going to build for my miter saw. I'm going to build some foldable wheels because it's heavy to always carry that thing in and out. So for a long time I already wanted to do something which makes it more mobile. So I'm going to put it on the side with a non-adjustable leg. So I still want to keep all the functionality basically of the miter saw setup. And I will lead you through the building process. So these are my blocking pieces, wood. I put them left and right so it cannot slide down and up once screwed down. So now I mark the first side, then I cut it, and then I mark basically the second side. Just have to make sure got it right. Okay, that's where I cut the first board. Okay guys, as you can see, I have one of the blocking blocks I have already attached, screwed to the board here. The next one is here, and I do that to this side too. And with that, basically, I can make sure this thing will not slide up and down. So let's get 2 screws in from there. Get this one. Get these on. So a little bit tight. So number 1 and now number 2. Now I got that. Now you guys can see here, I just have to cut these things nicely here, and then I got the blocking here. Do that on the other side. Then I will put a board from there behind and screw it in here, so it will basically stay on here, and then I can work on the board and on the swing arm for the wheels. I had them left over from another project. Okay guys, next step is basically getting the width in this board here, and then I basically make the blockings and make sure, you know, everything works there. I already kind of trimmed these pieces here. I gotta do the same, 2 blockings on this side, and then it will not slide up and it will not slide down. I will show you how in the end that looks like. Okay, let's get to the cutting. Okay guys, I'm now putting the other side blocking on. I cut already the pieces out. That's basically kidding me. Two. the other side. Are you kidding me? Okay guys, so now I'm cutting out the back bracing to keep that board in place. And again, just some old wood I have laying around, nothing special. So, now, back bracing. I have some 3.5-inch deck screws, and now just drive them in here. So, okay, so now installing the hinges. See, this one I already installed here, this one, and now I'm preparing the base and the wheels. I show you how that goes. Okay guys, now installing the wheels. I want to make sure they're square and perpendicular to this axis here, basically. So what I do, I use my square and make sure they are perpendicular, that they are in the same axis. So using washers and screws, it's a little bit bigger here. I gotta get the right ones, these ones here. wrong washers here. Right washers. Oh no, that's one. That's a good one. Slightly different. Okay. Here, better ones. So, got some from an old project. Just take them off the bolts. And then let's get it done. Okay, last one. Okay, now getting the base on. It will be a little bit tricky. Kind of get it all aligned. I only have 2 hands. Let's get. So guys, that's the finished product. As you can see, it's a knee lever design. So that's the mode, the work mode, basically where the wheels are not deployed here. And then these are the pieces because I had to try a little bit. You didn't see me fabricate them, but it's basically 2 30-degree angles here, 90-degree cut here, 90-degree cut here, and then 3 hinges. You know, let me show you how I put it in transport mode. You basically, I hope you guys can see it. You lift the miter saw, just lock it here, so it auto locks because it's a knee lever design, as you can see. So now it's in locked mode, and then it's basically on its wheel, and now you can lift it on the other side and basically transport it. Let me show you. So guys, you can see it now. I lift it on the other side here, see it, and then now I can just roll it. You see that? Very easy to transport now. Don't have to carry it anymore. It's not heavy. You see, even like little thumbs don't really unfold, so it looks pretty good. Like this. And if you want to go in work mode again, just lift it, go down like that, and then it stands on all 4 legs. I think it's a great idea. I'm really happy with the outcome. Okay, see you guys. Some comments, important comments to the toggle link design. As you can see in picture number 2, you gotta make sure that the triangle, basically if you manufacture your toggle link pieces, that
they create a very flat triangle that you have still a very good load path for the weight of the miter saw or whatever you want to basically equip with wheels. If the triangle gets too high basically and it folds in too much, it will not be able to hold the forces or to withstand the forces. So that's some important comment.